The stars above are softly burning. A world awaits its newborn king. In humble hearts, faith is returning. Through endless night, the angels sing. The veil is torn, the dawn is near. Love has conquered every fear. Oh, light divine, shine over me. Grace that sets the captive free. Heaven's fire, pure and bright, lead us home through endless night.